Hello, it's Mommy Betri here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of tuning into this channel, you're welcome. In this channel, it's all about food. So if you love food, here is the place to be. So today we are making mayonnaise. I'm making use of just these few ingredients here in your screen. I'm making use of 1 egg, oil. I'm making use of olive oil, salt, sugar. You can substitute the lemon for vinegar or apple cider vinegar. Both are high in acidity, which will neutralize and help form your mayo. So after removing the seed, I'm going to squeeze in this fresh lemon into the bowl. This lemon juice I just squeezed in is equivalent to 2 to 2.5 teaspoons. Okay, so I'm going to whisk this sugar, egg, and the lemon juice. I'm going to whisk it for about 30 to 60 seconds before incorporating or adding other ingredients. I made use of 2 cups of olive oil for this mayonnaise recipe. You can use any oil of your choice. You know, I like making my mayonnaise as healthy as possible because sometimes you can't help it. There's another recipe that you can make use of milk in your mayonnaise. Maybe in one of my videos I might just show how to do it. I didn't add all the oil at a go. I left about half cup in the bowl. So after some time, I'm going to add the remaining of the olive oil. As you can see, I added garlic to my mayonnaise. Some people don't like garlic, so you can add whatever you please to your mayonnaise. It's all about your choice. Okay, I like the taste of garlic. The reason why my mayonnaise doesn't have a white or pale white color is because of the garlic. This garlic kind of have a dark color. You know, store-bought garlic, you can never know what they added to it. Just that they wrote 100% ingredients, who knows. But our mayonnaise is ready. Look at how beautiful it looks. Came out so nice, so fluffy, so tasty because I've tested it already. Don't mind me, okay? Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much. I'm feeling the love right here. I'm feeling it in my heart. I'm feeling it in my channel. Thank you. Okay, God bless. And for people watching me, please, when you watch, give this woman a thumbs up. Give this mommy a thumbs up. Okay, she's doing well. She's trying to make this channel grow. She's showing you content, what she can do. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.